What's up guys, Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. I want to welcome you guys back to our shop. I want to show you guys what we got going on this week. It is Monday. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thanksgiving. So starting from the back, we got a couple of commercial projects. As you guys know, we do everything from commercial to color change wraps to window tinting and paint protection film. So we're doing a lot of color change this week. We have a couple of color changes. We got a Maserati for one of our clients. You probably might see on the page that we did the Rolls Royce and the Range Rover with the same color. Maserati is getting the matte orange as well. We got a Tesla Model Y that is getting a color change from white to an Aztec blue metallic. That one, obviously, since the car is white, we're gonna be pulling out the bumpers and just going real deep with it. We got a 2022 Jeep Wrangler. We're doing a full color change. The car is originally red. We're wrapping it with matte charcoal metallic. On a Jeep Wrangler, we do a full disassembly. So the doors were taken out, the hinges were taken out, the hood, the grill, the hood cowl, everything gets fully disassembled so we can go deep on it so you don't see the original color. Then we have another Tesla Model Y 2021. This one is actually for a law enforcement officer. We're going with Metro Rose Gold. So this one's gonna be rose gold. We're doing also ceramic coating on the interior and exterior. We're using an 8-year ceramic coating from System X. That one actually gets registered to Carfax. We're gonna be putting that on top of the wrap once the wrap is completed. From there, we have another commercial vehicle for BC Plumbing. It's actually a Sprinter van. We're doing a partial wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for what we got going on. We'll see you guys in the next video.